Did you press
Good.
play?
Yes, I did.
Hola,
good morning,
¿cómo
good
estás?
afternoon, hello. I don't know what time of day you're watching. This is probably 10 o'clock at night and they're supposed to be in bed, right?
Or during advisory.
Or during advisory.
Right before 7:30.
Yeah.
Or it's 8:15 in the morning, right before the bell rings.
Yeah, one of those times. We are analyzing and comparing data. Somebody, you drew
Data.
arrows on my thing. Whoa! Oh, you're like
Data.
Let's talk about data. That data. That data. Let's talk about that data.
I love Ropa's face over here. We have a little guest star over here. Say hi, Ropa. Oh, Ropa. While they're watching this video, Ropa's probably going to be busy at soccer tryouts, and some of you guys might be busy at soccer tryouts. Woohoo! Our learning target this week is we will solve problems with data by using bar graphs, dot plots, and circle graphs.
By using and analyzing.
By using and analyzing
Ooh.
bar graphs, dot plots, and circle graphs.
That might be part of our video quiz.
Yeah.
By using and analyzing bar graphs. Nope, we don't.
Nope.
That's going to stay in there.
Straight up.
She's an 8th grader now.
Yeah, she's an 8th grader.
We might need her in a little bit,
Yeah.
so.
Let's get a reminder of what a bar graph, a dot plot, and a circle graph are, because some of them have probably not seen this in a while. You know it. We're just going to give you a quick reminder. A circle graph shows how the set of data is divided into parts. The entire circle, I did not finish my sentence, is 100%. Sorry.
That would help. That would help complete the whole circle.
Hey, the funny thing is you both checked my work and none of you caught that. So goes to show how much you actually pay attention to what I do. So the kids who like cheese pizza is 38%, the kids who like mushrooms 12, kids who like
Kids like mushroom
pepperoni
pizza?
12% of them do.
Scarlet, guys.
There you go.
Aww.
My little 3.
The kids who like pepperoni is 28 and the kids who like sausage is 22. So it's the total of those, the 38 plus the 12 plus the 28 plus the 22 equals 100. I promise if you add it up, it will. That's a circle graph. It's just going to show you, it's going to divide it up for you. A dot plot looks something like this. I know I didn't even give you a definition on it, but this is what a dot plot looks like. It's just, you've got your values here. So let's say this is the number of siblings that people have. And so to have one sibling, 3 people have one sibling. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people have 2 siblings. And it just goes on like that.
It's kind of like a bar graph with dots.
It's like a bar graph with dots.
That's all it is.
It's like a pictogram.
Yeah, like the one that you did
I like
when you
that
were in
word.
like 2nd grade.
Yeah, and you drew pictures?
Pictogram.
Pictogram. And then we've got a bar graph. I mean, it looks like it's kind of the same as a dot plot, where it's got the numbers on the side. It's just a bar showing you. So
It's like the grown-up version of a graph.
yeah,
This one's like the baby one.
the baby version.
Because it shows pictures,
Dots and pictures.
And this one shows big, you know.
I
numbers.
like the dots too, though.
The dots.
Oh,
are
yeah.
fun.
It's a
Yeah.
good visual.
Yeah.
It is.
So this one's just left versus
I
right-handed.
can't tell at all here which
Well,
one's bigger.
there's 6 left. I can too. I can tell.
Green.
There's more right-handed than left-handed. Those left-handed people are kind of special, though. I married one.
So did I.
Aw.
Is yours the left?
Nope.
That would have been way cool.
I know.
But the percentage of the left-handed people
all right.
that
I
we've
don't feel left
married
out.
is bigger than the percentage that we
That's- I know, and
right-handed
that's-
people.
Yeah,
That's rare.
it is rare.
Cool.
66%. 67.
67.7.
Gotta make the video quiz. Gotta get these kids. Make sure they're getting what they're needing.
I know. Because they are watching and they are taking
Yes,
notes
ma'am.
for
Yes,
their
ma'am.
video quiz.
Okay, and when we say taking notes,
My cue.
you're writing everything.
You're
down.
writing. Pictures on your phone don't count.
Yeah, no pictures on your
Sorry,
phone.
cell phone's not allowed.
Maybe they should draw that whole
Dot plot?
dot plot
Is
on
that my
there.
pen that you're putting in your mouth?
Nope, this is mine.
Did you steal it from Gross?
No, maybe. Rudy used it last period. Maybe I
Ew,
should.
Rudy.
She was like, click, click. God. Okay, here we go.
So the number of computers sold are shown in the dot plot. So this is just, it's a store. The number of computers that they sold each day is in the dot plot. Yes, your dot plot can have X's. I got tired of the circles.
I do X's too because the circles are hard
The
to
circles
draw.
are hard.
You can
Ugh.
see each individual there. Sometimes
Yeah.
circles bleed together. Sometimes,
do.
yeah.
I wonder how many
So-
we have here. We're going to have to count them soon.
We need to count how many
Oh,
they sold total.
I'll do it. I'll do it. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
So we got 50 total computers sold.
50 total. Woo!
I think that's the fastest I've ever heard Miss Newsom count to 50.
It took her like 8 seconds.
I'm a little out of breath. Okay, here we go. So there's 50 total.
Do you need to catch your breath?
Caught it.
So what percent were sold on Friday?
Well, we're going to count our Friday only.
Can
Ready,
y'all
Newsom?
help me now?
Ready?
Newsom?
Ready? And go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Did I do that right?
No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
I was going to say there's 12 on Friday. I knew that one. So 12 out of 50.
So it's the ones for Friday over our total.
Yes.
Okay.
And we want percent, so we're going to put it
And percent. Oh,
Over
very
100.
good.
over 100.
Because percents are always, they always go over 100.
Wait. Did we just move back to proportions?
We sure did.
Part over whole
Yep.
equals percent over 100? Oh, man. Why does math do that to us? So this is our x, and we're going to do 100 or 12 times 100, which is 1200 equals 50x. Wait, I just went from
50 or 5? You make sure you put the 0 just so that they know.
50. I just went from a dot plot to a proportion to an equation.
Look at that.
That's like 3 concepts we've done
That's
this
so
year.
fun.
I know, right?
So that's why we teach the things we teach.
That's why we teach them.
Beforehand for other things.
Yeah.
Right.
So now we're dividing by 50. Miss Newsom, I need my math genius.
24.
Oh, goodness. I couldn't even, green was
Do you want to know why? She's got it on her calculator.
Boom.
I was trying to.
So 24% were sold on Friday.
All right.
That wasn't that bad.
No.
Now, what percent were sold during the week? I'm sorry, okay. What percent of computers sold during the week was sold on Tuesday?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Always double check.
So
just
9
you're
on
sure.
Tuesday out of 50, right?
Out of
No.
50.
No.
Because it
Sold
says
during the week.
During the week.
So that's just Monday through Friday.
Friday.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So it's out of
40.
Ropa just asked if we made mistakes on purpose, and I told her
No.
It's real life, baby.
But the fun thing is, they love to find our mistakes. So when we find it and they're like, you made a mistake. I'm like, no, I didn't. Oh, yeah, I did.
Yeah.
Oops. So we've got 9 over 40 equals x over 100.
What percent is that?
Let's cross
It's about
multiply.
a fourth. I can already tell you that.
900
It's about
equals
24 point something.
40x,
22.5.
divide by 40, divide by 40, x equals
22.5.
22.5%. I mean, that's not that bad. We're just doing proportions and equations again. But we're just using data from a graph or a dot plot or a circle graph.
Yep.
Okay, moving on. Colors of bow ties worn to prom. We're going to talk about colors of bow ties.
What's
Did you know
prom?
Prom is a big dance in high school. When you're a senior,
When you're
you
a
get to go to
senior.
prom.
It's like a formal dance.
It's a
right?
formal dance. My school did not have a prom.
Really?
Really?
I went to a private school. We had no prom. We had homecoming.
We had prom.
And homecoming was a dinner.
Oh, I should have brought my
was really
prom
fun.
picture.
I have my
Me
homecoming
too.
picture. That's
My
fun.
prom picture.
Anyway, so find the percent of bow ties for each color. They just gave us this.
I'm sorry, did you say for each color?
Yeah, I did say for each color.
Oh my gosh, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna do 7.
You know what we could do?
Oh my gosh.
We can solve one for them, and then they can solve the rest, and we'll put a random color on the video quiz for tomorrow.
Miss Newsom's putting it into her computer
No,
right now.
She's picking a color. It's randomly
Oh,
generated.
no, okay.
So you can see here, the green had 13, the purple had 8, the
Let's do
black
black.
had 66, the gray had 25, the white had 48, and the blue had 22, and red had 18. How many total bow ties was that?
200.
So we had
I just added
200
that really quickly.
total bow ties, yeah, on the calculator while we were talking.
Which
How-
color are we going to choose?
We're going to want to do, what color? I like purple, personally, because purple's my
That's
favorite
fine.
color.
That's great.
Let's do purple. How many kids had purple?
8.
So we had 8, and we're going to set it up as a proportion over 100.
Hey, we can find a relationship between these two numbers.
How
Half
do you
of
get from
200 is 100, so half of 8 is 4.
So it was 4% were purple.
Done and done.
That was actually super easy. So I think they can do the rest of the colors.
Go through. and find the percents for black, gray, white, blue, red, and green, because you never know which one might be on your video quiz.
One of them will be on the video quiz tomorrow. Write them all down. So, oh boy. Oh, there's not even all on there. Okay, so a school had a fundraiser for the recycling program. 3 teams, the baseball, soccer, and volleyball, and 3 clubs, the science, the math, and the ecology, collected money. Which is greater, the percent of money collected by the teams, by the baseball team, or the percent of the money collected by the clubs, by the science club? So we have to figure out here, it's looking at multiple things. It wants to know the money collected by the baseball team out of the teams. So the teams is my total.
So we're basically doing this over here.
Well, kind of.
Wait, where is baseball? Oh, volleyball's over here.
And baseball, soccer, volleyball.
Oh, I thought they were all in order.
Wouldn't that have been nice?
So we're
but
looking at just. Can we color code?
Yeah, we can color code.
Here we got 2.
I wish this was color coded.
I know. I tried.
Here, do the teams in yellow.
Okay, so teams in yellow.
So we can focus on just yellow. Oops. So we're gonna look at baseball out of the 3 teams.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do
clubs in blue.
Clubs in blue, and we're gonna focus on just science out of just the clubs.
Okay, so let's look at all of the teams. What's the total for the teams?
Well, let's see. This was about 100 or so.
That's about 100.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then this is about
I'd say 180.
180 maybe.
180.
Okay.
And volleyball is
it right?
80.
80. Okay.
About 360.
So $360 was collected by all the teams. How much of that was baseball?
Baseball was the 200. I mean the 100.
The 100. So 100 out of 360, we're going to find the percentage of that. So equals 100, cross multiply, and you get...
It's about 28.
So about 28%. Now the clubs. We are looking at the total amount of clubs. So
that's wrong.
What?
I was like, that doesn't.
1,000
it should be 36.
It should be about 36, yeah.
Yeah.
What did I do? What did I do?
I don't know.
What did I do then?
1,000.
10,000 divided by.
No, it'd be 360 divided by...
That's 10,000. You need 4 zeros. Okay.
My
Oh man,
mistake.
we're all making mistakes.
No,
Okay.
No, she's right. It is 28%.
Okay.
Is it
so I was
28%?
It
right.
doesn't make any sense, but yeah.
Doesn't really make any sense. Now that you questioned it, now I'm kind of questioning it. What did you put 10,000?
Did you do 360?
Yeah.
Or 1,000 divided by 36? Same thing.
You guys did 1,000 divided by 36. It's
Which is
360 divided by 1,000. 10,000.
No, it's not. We're gonna divide by
10,000.
360.
Oh, yeah,
divided by-
10,000 divided... I'm sorry,
Yeah.
my mistake.
No, it's all good. It's 28%.
I think that's what I was doing in my head. I did 360
I did
by-
360 divided
That's
by
why I
10,000.
plugged it in because I was going to say that a minute ago,
Yeah.
but I was like, let me just plug it in.
That's where we made our mistakes. It's all good. 28%.
Cool.
I knew 28% sounded right because the answer key said 28%. So now the clubs. We've got the ecology, the science, and the math because the math club rocks. The ecology, how much did they make total?
The ecology is how much?
Ecology is,
160?
I'd say about 160.
Okay.
It's 160.
Yeah, 150, 160.
Science is 120.
120.
And the math club's about
30.
40?
Let's just 40. Let's say 30. Let's see. Legitly, let's see.
Your line
Going
is so,
down.
your line is so crooked.
Everybody see that? Look how perfect that is. Ready? Okay, let me see if I can redo that. There we go. 130.
I'd say it was supposed to be 140. But
We'll go with 130.
we'll
so
go
it's
with 130 for
410.
Miss Newsom. So 110?
The students will always be able to tell what value it should be going to.
Yes.
410.
410. And then how much of that was from the
Science 120.
science club? There was 120. And we're going to set it up over 100. 120 times 100. Then
12,000 divided by 410 is about, it's 29%.
29%. So which club collected the greater amount of money?
Oh my gosh, that's really close.
Barely.
It's really
It
close.
was the
So
clubs over the
barely.
teams.
it was just barely the science club over the baseball team out of the two of them. So that would be my answer.
This is a tricky one. Can
That
you
was a
just
tricky.
reiterate this up here? So we're looking at the money collected by the teams.
Out of the teams.
For baseball.
Baseball.
And then the money collected from the
clubs.
clubs for science. Okay, that was kind of tricky.
Yeah.
We had to read it about 3 times.
We did.
Yeah, and look, that line's still bothering me. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, that was your line. Anyways, we are out for today. This is our statistics and data. Peace. Have fun.